point being,
I am the best creator.
Welcome to Prompt Gods, a 12-part series taking a look at the AI art world and the prolific illustrators that have unintentionally become some of the most used prompt words within the AI art community. Alphonse Mucha was an artist from the Czech Republic who helped establish Art Nouveau, which is said to be inspired by the natural forms such as the sinuous curves of plants and flowers. In his early life, he wished to promote and revive Czech culture with his artwork, but inevitably ended up working in advertising. It happens to most of us. His career took a monumental turn after he created a last-minute poster for a then popular stage actress called Sarah Bernhardt. This poster was displayed in Paris on January 1st, 1895, and was so well received that Bernhardt ordered 4,000 more and a 6-year contract to produce even more than that. He would go on to honour his Slavic heritage by creating the Slav Epic, which was a series of paintings depicting the culture he wished to promote in his earlier years. Alphonse passed in 1939, 10 days short of his 79th birthday. His style is currently having a bit of a resurgence in the AI art scene. Let's see why that is. The debate on ethics behind AI art continues. Some have stated that it's more morally just to borrow styles from the deceased rather than the living, while others claim that the AI generated artworks aren't exact copies, so they don't see any issues at all. It's a heated topic, with some embracing the technology and some condemning it. Where do you stand on the debate? Are you aware of any solutions that could satisfy everyone? Let us know in the comments below, and let's figure out this new frontier together. Thanks for watching and join us next week where we'll be taking a look at another prompt god.